had a chat, and we challenged them to write a song in half an hour. And they did such a great job that it's now a regular feature on evenings, and they're back to put their creativity to the test once again. Now, who is it that just written their first song? Michelle.
First 10 songs.
Yeah, I've just done my first
10.
term at the Heart Songwriting Club, so that's 10 weeks and 10 songs.
Was songwriting something you've been doing anyway until now? Or?
Not at all. I've done a lot of music in the past when I was much younger, and then I had a very long break from it altogether. And Francesca somehow inspired me to give writing songs a go, and I was terrified, which I kind of took to mean maybe I should try it. And I'm so glad that I did.
Tracy, how long have you been part of our Heart Songwriting?
I think I'm in the 5th term.
So that's 50 weeks.
50 weeks.
50 weeks? And is that
so just
50
about
songs?
a year.
Or?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
How have you felt you've changed, or your approach to songwriting has changed in that 50 songs?
Probably less structured the way I approach it.
Mm-hmm.
And the weekly theme is very helpful because it gives you just enough structure to start not with a blank sheet of paper, but not too constrictive, so you can really think outside the box with it and take it in different directions.
So, Francesca, what's the sort of gender balance for I Heart Songwriting?
Oh, it's very exciting. I think because there's so much media, there's so much talk about how women represent such a small percentage of the music industry. Now, the music industry is quite a wide range of activities. So let me just say the stats. For APRA, their stats last year, out of 95,000 songwriters from around Australia, 21% were female songwriters.
21?
Now that's actually a very small percent.
Yes.
And so in our Heart Songwriting Club, 76% of our songwriters are female.
Right.
Now, it's not that we are purposefully reaching out to female songwriters or advertising to female songwriters. Not at all. We want male songwriters. We want songwriters. We just want people to come and write and be in our community. But the structure of the community and the way that it exists online is it's supportive. You can do it in your own time. And we really curate that vibe of, how to give feedback, how to share, how to inspire yourselves and motivate, and it really appeals to women, and actually women tell women about it.
All right, now the challenge is on. Right, Francesca, Michelle, Edward, Tracy, you have your parameters. We'll see you here, what, about 20:15? So it's about half an hour, 20:15.
Alrighty.
Thank
See you
you.
then.
Thank you.
Guys.
Glam rock.
Is this glam rock?
So, I was thinking like a Kiss song and starts with like a riff like.
What I'm feeling. Maybe everything could be a bit tighter. Can we go from Dream to D minor? Dream of love, hold it in your arms. Hold it in your arms. This is a song for the universe. Okay, so that's the something. Let's move into the next section.
F major section, alright.
Okay, Sheila. Sheila, this syncopation for you.
Well, they are back from the green room where they have been collaborating on an original song in our monthly I Heart Songwriting Evening Show Challenge. And yes, that was as catchy as I could make that title. Francesca Devine, founder and director of I Heart Songwriting. How have you gone?
We did good.
All right. Now,
We glammed it up.
you glammed it up with Francesca this evening, Michelle Jones, Edward Buckridge, and Tracy Hamill. Now, our newbies, Michelle and Tracy, how did you find that 30-minute challenge?
Oh, ignorance is bliss.
Yeah, I'll come along, it'll be fun.
Tracy was awesome.
Yeah, she was awesome. It went very quickly, that 30 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
I was just saying, what a treat. We have an hour in our Heart Songwriting Club.
That's right,
Like,
yeah.
what, we don't need that. I'm just going to make everyone do it in 30 minutes. No, I'm not. I'm joking.
Well, I walked out during the news just to get a glass of water, and I could hear. I'm not sure it was singing. It was kind of screeching. I think you were glam rocking it up.
I was trying to explore all the options of glam rock.
Yep. Matt Eaton from our newsroom looked at me quite concerned and looked over at the door. I went, "Don't worry about that. Nothing to see here, Matt. You go on home. It's going to be fine." All right. So just to reset what the song is going to be like, the task we set you. This came from Sheila at Ipswich. For the Universe is the name of the song. It's a love song in the key of D minor with a syncopated rhythm. I don't know how we syncopate a rhythm with glam rock, or whether we bothered to do that, but we will
That's
find
where
out.
it became a little Doobie Brothers.
We're listening to the music now.
Doobie Brothers meets Melissa Etheridge.
All I can hear now is "Without Love."
That's our chorus.
So I'm very keen to hear what you have come up with. Now, is there anything you want to explain to us before we get into this?
We wrote this in 30 minutes.
Ready?
Ready.
I Heart
Steady.
Songwriting Club. Take it away.
Good luck, everybody.
Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-da.
You know what I know. You feel what I'm feeling. Dream of the future. Breathe in the love. Hold it in your arms. This song's for the universe.
Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da.
We hold all the power in the vortex. Moves through time and space. See the love in the stars. See the love for the universe. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love,
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da.
Honor what is right for you. You know what you got to do. Anything is better than nothing. Put one foot in front of the other and keep on moving. Love, love, love. You know you love me. Love, 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 love. You know I love you. Love, 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 love,
Oh, that was very glam rock there to the end. Well done, because that was a hard brief. I thought this month's was particularly difficult. Glam rock.
So hard. I think we
What does
shouldn't
it
give
mean?
them the genre.
Well, there's no fun in that.
No, we'll make it. We'll
No, that was great. That was still excellent. You don't
Thank
need
you.
half an hour to get that together. That's a completely original song in 30 minutes with other people dictating what you can do with it. How did the key of D minor go in glam rock?
Oh, that was very noodle worthy. It was a good start.
Excellent. I don't even know what that means really.
Any other guitarists out there will know what that means.
Okay. I'm going to Google it. Google worthy. All right, so Francesca, you are performing at the Powerhouse on the 29th, along with Sam Buckingham, Tash Parker,
Yes,
which would
and
be great.
it's going to be a great show. They're coming up from Byron Bay and Hobart, and then on Friday night, the 27th, we've got a Queen Street Mall gig showcasing Heart Songwriting Club members from Kingaroy in Sydney and also Brisbane. And then on Saturday, we've got a workshop for songwriters. And you can just go to iheartsongwritingclub.com to check out all the information or follow us on Facebook.
All right, and it just sounds like a lot of fun. I could hear a lot of laughter coming through. It's a joyous process. All right, so we'll see you back here in a month's time to try it all again.
Let's do it again.
Beautiful. Thank you, Heart Songwriting Club.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you, Kelly.
Love.